Some of the angriest people.
An artist, it won't do that. But if you say I want it in the style of this particular like kind of vibe, or this studio, or this art movement, or whatever, it will. And obviously, if you're like, output a song that is like a copy of the song, it won't do that. The question of like where that line should be and how people say like this is too much, we sorted that out before with copyright law and kind of what fair use looks like. Again, I think in the world of AI there will be a new model that we figure out.
But from the point of view, I mean, the world's full of creative people are some of the angriest people right now, or the most scared people about AI. And the difference between feeling your work's being stolen from you and your future is being stolen from you, and feeling your work is being amplified and can be amplified, those are such different feelings. And if we could shift to the other one, to the second one, I think that really changes how much humanity as a whole embraces all this.
Well, again, I would say some creative people are very upset. Some creatives are like, this is the most amazing tool ever. I'm doing incredible new work. But, like, it's definitely a change. And I have a lot of like empathy to people who are just like, I wish this change weren't happening. I liked the way things were before.
But in principle, you can calculate from any given prompt how much. There should be some way of being able to calculate what percentage of a subscription revenue or whatever goes towards each answer. In principle, it should be possible if one could get the rest of the rules figured out. It's obviously complicated. You could calculate some kind of revenue share, no?
If you're a musician and you spend your whole life, your whole childhood, whatever, listening to music, and then you get an idea and you go compose a song that is inspired by what you've heard before, but a new direction, it'd be very hard for you to say like, this much was from this song I heard when I was 11, this much from when I saw.
That's right, but we're talking here about the situation where someone specifically in a prompt names someone.
Yeah, so well, again, right now, if you try to like go generate an image in a named style, we just say that artist is living, we don't do it. But I think it would be cool to figure out a new model where if you say, I want to do it in the name of this artist and they opt in, there's a revenue model there. Okay. I think that's a good thing to explore.
So I think the world should help you figure out that model quickly, and I think it will make a huge difference, actually. I want to switch topics quickly. The battle between